So you gotta stop it. 5-minute segments or less. That's all you can put on YouTube.
Oh, okay.
Oh, you know, fat weld.
Say the roller.
Ah.
4-link, and I don't have a rear end. I keep hustling on your car. I got to get my rent paid though, so fucking what I'll probably do is have to pay rent. Somehow, you know me, I'll get a rear end.
Oh, hell yeah.
What do you need?
A rear end. Out of a
El Camino or something.
What's Billy got?
I don't know. I have to
Any
ask her.
extras?
Maybe.
Something wise.
I can't believe he's got a 53 pickup long bed in the backyard now too.
I know. What the hell?
Dude, we gotta move fast.
Why?
Gotta go. Because do it now, get moved, recover from that,
Then get your taxes back. Oh, so she don't get that. I'm feeling it.
where it has to be.
Let's see you thinking ahead.
Huh. Haven't had a cigarette in a week.
Oh shit! Are you fucking kidding me? No big deal?
I quit before.
Yeah. The next cigarette that you have is gonna taste like shit anyway.
Dude, I had one, what was it, last Sunday? I had one all day. Then Monday I had one, and it was all.
Yeah.
Already, one day. And then I haven't had one since.
Look at that, Chris.
Oh.
This is just so. This gets just as much heat and everything as that other one.
Oh, yeah.
Little grind on.
Well, that other one's on like A or B.
I know. That other one can do gnarly. This one's does it.